Hey everyone, I'm Patrick from Biz Builders. And if you're thinking about starting an LLC in New Hampshire in 2026 without hiring an expensive lawyer, this video is exactly what you need to watch before you file anything. Because New Hampshire is one of those states that gets talked about a lot in business circles, usually for one big advantage. No general sales tax, no state income tax on wages, business-friendly reputation, and all of that is real. But there's a catch, and it's the part most people don't discover until after their LLC is formed, when fixing it costs time, money, and momentum. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the actual step-by-step process to form a New Hampshire LLC correctly. And I'll show you exactly where that advantage turns into a problem if you don't plan ahead. Let's get into it. The two ways people think about New Hampshire. When it comes to New Hampshire LLCs, most founders fall into one of two mindsets. Option 1, you hear no income tax and no sales tax, and you assume New Hampshire is basically a low-effort, low-maintenance state. You file the LLC, get approved, and move on without digging deeper. Option 2, you understand that New Hampshire is business-friendly, but only if you respect how the state actually makes its money and enforces compliance. Most people choose Option 1. And that's where the problems start. The DIY mistake people make in New Hampshire. I tried the DIY route once in New Hampshire. At first, everything felt great. The filing process was clean. The $100 filing fee was reasonable. Approval came back without drama. It felt like one of the easiest states I'd ever worked with. Then the catch showed up. Between understanding New Hampshire's business profits tax, the business enterprise tax, annual report requirement, and the registered agent rules, I realized something important. New Hampshire doesn't tax you the way other states do. It taxes you differently. And if you don't plan for that difference up front, you end up scrambling later. That's exactly what happened to me. What you actually need to start a New Hampshire LLC. Here's what you actually need to do if you want your New Hampshire LLC set up cleanly and correctly. First, choose your business name. New Hampshire has specific naming rules and restricted terms, so always have a primary name and a backup ready. Second, appoint a registered agent with a physical street address in New Hampshire. This is required by law. P.O. boxes do not count. Third, file your certificate of formation with the New Hampshire Secretary of State. This is the document that legally creates your LLC. Fourth, get your EIN from the IRS. You'll need this for banking, taxes, and hiring. Fifth, register with the New Hampshire Department of Revenue Administration if your LLC will have income or employees. This is where many founders delay and regret it later. And sixth, open a business bank account so your personal and business finances stay completely separate. So far, that all sounds manageable. But now comes the part everyone glosses over. The catch everyone misses in New Hampshire. Here's the trade-off. Nobody explains clearly. New Hampshire doesn't rely on personal income tax. It relies heavily on business-level taxes, specifically business profits tax, BPT, business enterprise tax, BET. Depending on your revenue, payroll, and business activity, your LLC may owe one or both, even if you assumed New Hampshire was tax light. Add to that, annual reports are mandatory every year. Registered agent information must stay current. Compliance deadlines are strict, not flexible. New Hampshire won't chase you immediately if you miss something. But when it does catch up, it's expensive and time-consuming to fix. That's the catch. The advantage is real, but only if you understand the full picture. Why professional help makes sense in New Hampshire. That's exactly why I recommend Taylor Brands for New Hampshire. They don't just help you file an LLC and disappear. They handle New Hampshire, registered agent setup, certificate of formation filing, EIN operating agreement, guidance on New Hampshire tax registration compliance reminders so nothing sneaks up on you, help opening your business bank account. Most importantly, they understand New Hampshire's business tax structure, which is the part most DIY founders misunderstand. Cost. Why this still makes sense. Here's the best part. Through our exclusive partnership, you can get started for $0 plus New Hampshire's required state filing fees. That's the same cost as doing it yourself. but without walking blind into the tax and compliance side of the state. Same money, better planning. Final thought. New Hampshire does offer a real advantage, but the founders who benefit long-term are the ones who understand the trade-off, not just the headline. Use the link in the description. Get your New Hampshire LLC formed properly. Plan around the catch from day one and keep your business moving forward without surprises. Trust me, your future self will thank you. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more real, no-fluff business advice, and I'll see you in the next video.